Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You made it here, and that means you're already ahead of 99% of people who hit snooze and stay stiff. You're here because you probably feel stiff, sore, and tight. But in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your hips, loosen your lower back, and fire up your energy for the day. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how. The last move in the session is something you've probably never tried before, but you'll wish you had. Your hips aren't just stiff, they're shutting down your flexibility, your strength, and even your posture. Let's change that today. If you sit all day, this routine is your reset button for tight hips and lower back tension. One small mistake in this next move can make you tighter instead of looser, and I'll show you how to fix it. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you, so make sure you stick through the end of the session to find out. I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Your hips are like a rusty hinge, stuck, stiff, resisting movement. This move, it's the oil that gets everything moving smoothly again. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your heels on the floor. Place your elbows inside your knees. Press outward and hold. I promise this is the fastest way to unlock deep hip tension and wake up your entire lower body. Beginners, hold onto a surface for balance. Advanced stretches, rock side to side or pulse slightly for a deeper stretch. You feel that? That's your hips waking up. Can you hold for 5 more seconds? Now that we've opened up the hips, let's add movement and rotation. This move connects every hips, spine, shoulders. If you feel tight, heavy, or stuck, this will bring your body back to life. Stay in the deep squat position. Place one hand on the ground for support. Reach the other arm up, twisting toward the sky. Switch sides and repeat smoothly. I promise this is how you wake up your spine, improve mobility, and feel light on your feet again. Beginners, keep the squat shallow. Advanced stretches, hold the rotation for 3 extra seconds each side. Can you rotate just 1% deeper? Just try it. You'll feel the difference. Your hips and spine are awake. Now let's hit a game changer for flexibility. Pigeon pose. Most people don't realize how much tension they're carrying in their hips until they try this stretch. If you sit a lot or have ever felt that deep nagging tightness in your lower back, this is for you. Start in a tabletop position, bring your right knee forward towards your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back, keeping your hips square. Stay tall or slowly lower onto your forearms for a deeper stretch. I promise the stretch isn't just about flexibility. It's about giving your lower back, hips, and legs the relief they've been begging for. Beginners, keep your upper body elevated for a gentler stretch. Advanced stretches, fold forward completely and rest your forehead down. Breathe in. Now sink 1 inch lower. Feel that space opening up? Now that we've unlocked the right side, let's even things out. If one side felt tighter than the other, that's a sign. Your body is imbalanced, and this move is your reset button. Bring your left knee forward towards your left wrist. Extend your right leg straight back, hip square. Stay upright or fold forward for a deeper stretch. I promise you don't want to skip this. When your hips are balanced, your entire body moves better. No more lower back tightness, no more stiff walks after sitting all day. Beginners, keep hands on the ground for support. Advanced stretches, reach your arms fully forward for a deeper stretch. Hold this 5 more seconds. Let's make this count. Your hips are open. Now let's finish with a full lower body release. This is it, the final stretch. If your hips still feel tight, this is going to finish the job and leave you feeling lighter, looser, and stronger. Sit tall with the soles of your feet together, knees dropping out wide. Hold onto your feet or ankles and gently press your knees down. Hinge forward from the hips, keeping your back straight. I promise, if you struggle with stiff hips, a tight lower back, or even poor posture, this is your instant relief button. Beginners, sit on a cushion or yoga block for support. Advanced stretches, gently press down on your knees and fold forward deeper. Can you hold this for just 5 seconds longer? Stay with me and don't let your body tighten up now. Final deep breath in and exhale. Let everything go. Your hips, spine, and lower body just got the stretch they needed. And just like I promised, fam, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body needs more. I've created something special just for you. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, and evening stretches to keep your body pain-free and flexible. Click the link in the description or pin comment now before you forget. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.